Good morning, everyone. Every year on 15 August, Independence Day is celebrated as a national holiday in India. When people remember the long phase of our nation's independence from British rule on August 15, 1947, India gained independence after a series of movements in which many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives. After independence on 15 August 1947, Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Indian Prime Minister to raise the national flag at the Red Fort near New Delhi's Lahore Gate. By unfurling the national flag and singing the national anthem, students, teachers, parents, and other individuals come together to celebrate Independence Day. The Indian Prime Minister in the national capital New Delhi at Red Fort also hosts our national flag. After that, the salute is given by firing 21 guns and a helicopter showers tricolour flowers on the flag. The colors in our flag represent different things. Saffron signifies courage and sacrifice, white signifies peace and truth, green signifies faith and chivalry. In the center of our flag, there is an Ashok Chakra that contains 24 evenly distributed spikes. We recall the great sacrifices of Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru, Gandhiji, and other daring freedom fighters on this special day for their unforgettable contribution to India's independence. India gained independence on August 15, 1947. After independence, in our nation, we acquired all our fundamental rights. We should all be proud to be an Indian, and we should admire our fortune to have been born in the land of independent India. From 1857 to 1947, the lives of many freedom fighters and several decades of struggle were sacrificed. For the independence of India, an Indian soldier, namely Mongol Pandey, in the British force, first raised his voice against the British. Several great freedom fighters later struggled and spent their entire lives only to gain freedom. The sacrifices of all the freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Khudiram Bose, Subhash Chandra Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, who lost their lives at an early age just to fight for their country, can never be forgotten. Gandhiji was a great Indian figure who gave Indians a great lesson in non-violence. We are so lucky to have been given a land of peace and happiness by our forefathers where we can sleep all night without fear and enjoy the whole day at school or home. People celebrate Independence Day by hosting the national flag and reciting the national anthem. Jai Hind!